Hello everyone, my name is Farsi Kanade. In this video, I'm going to explain internal two of data science. Section A, data cleaning, fill in the blanks. First, base theorem. P bracket A divided by B equals to PBA, PA divided by PB. Second, the 6869 19.7 rule describes the probability mass of the dash distribution, normal distribution. The metric that measures uncertainty gain when replacing distribution A with B is called Kullback-Leibler divergence. 4. Rigor regression using an L2 penalty while lesser uses an L1 penalty. A model that performs well on training data but fails on unseen data suffers from overfitting. And in logistic regression, coefficients are estimated using the dash likelihood function maximum. The hyperplan in SMM that summarizes distance between classes is called dash margin hyperplane, maximal hyperplane. In clustering, K means minimizes the within the cluster sum of dash squares. In PCA, the first principal component captures the maximum possible data is variance. In PCA, the first principal component captures the maximum possible data is variance. 10. CNS are particularly effective for dash data while RNSs are suitable for dash image and sequential. 11. In TensorFlow, the structure representing operations and dependence is called a computational dash graph. Adobe fault-tolerant distributed storage system is called HEDS. 13. A SQL query combining row from multiple tables based on related columns uses the dash clause, join clause. 14. The Python collection that ensures only unique elements is called set. 15. Bootstrapping is the resampling method that samples dash replacement with replacement. Section B. Machine learning concept. Massive columns. First, Manhattan distance. K equals to state line distance. Second, Euclidean distance. K equals to 1, sum of absolute distance differences. Third, Gaussian coefficient. Correlation based on ranks. Spearman coefficient. X, Y. Sigma X equals sigma X into sigma Y. L1 regularization shrinks some coefficients to 0. L2 regularization shrinks all coefficients proportionally. Bayesian bootstrap aggregation of trees. 8. Boosting sequentially focusing on misclassified samples. Ridge regression use penalty. Lasso regression use penalty. Section C. Deep learning. First, compute probability. A paired die rule twice. Probability the sum equals to 7. Probability equals to 6 by 3. 6 by 36 equals to 1 by 6. Third, for binomial distribution, n equals to 10, p equals to 0.5, expected value, np equals to 10 into 0.5 equals to 5. If r equals to 8, 0.8, and tss equals to 100, communicate rss. TSS into 1 minus r square equals to 100 into 0.2 equals to 20. In linear regression, gradient in distance update rule for weight W. W equals to alpha minus x delta j delta W. Normal for a normal 0.1 distribution, what percentage of data lies between -2 and +2? 9.5% of data lies between -2 and +2. For k-fold across validation with k equals to 5, each iteration uses what percent of data for training equals to 80% of data for training. Compute precision if TP equals to 40, FP equals to 10, precision equals to TP divided by TP plus FP equals to 40 divided by 40 plus 10 equals to 0.8. If recall 0.8 and precision equals 0 to 0.4, F1 score equals to 2 into 0.8 into 0.4 divided by 0.8 plus 0.4 equals to 5.33. A model gives Tp equals to 70, Tn equals to 80, and Fp equals to 20, Fn equals to 30. Accuracy equals to Tp plus Tn divided by Tp plus Tn, F1, Fp plus Fn equals to 1.66. For a Poisson delta 3, distribution expected value is 3. Section D, Python data structures. Write Python code to compute mean of list A 246 using NumPy and P into mean A. Convert list 1, 2, 3 to a NumPy array. NumPy.array bracket 1, 2, 3 bracket close. Create a data frame from dictionary A 1, 2, B 3, 4 using pandas. Td dot data frame bracket A 1, 2, B 3, 4. Replace all missing values in data frame df with common mean df dot head. Display first 5 rows of data frame df. Dot. P, plt dot hsc df dot height. 32. Apply one hot encoding to categorical column group color. pd dot get dummies df color. 33. Compute the relation between two pandas columns x and y. Set a df the df x dot correlation df y. Find unique element in used using a Python list. Set A. 35. Add a new key value pair pi 3.14 to dictionary D. D pi equals to 3.14. 36. Create a DQ and append element 1, 2, 3. 36. From collections import DQ. DQ equals to DQ 1, 2, 3, 4. 37. Pop smallest element from heap to heap. Heap Q dot heap Q append. 38. Create a NumPy array of 0 of say 3, 3 and p dot zeros 3, 3. 39. Convert column date to date time in pandas. pd dot date time. 50. Filter data frame rows from where column score less than 50. df score less than 50. Section E. Analysis and application. First, no single ML algorithm performs best on all problems refers to Dutch theorem, biased variance trade-off theorem. Second, the method that uses smaller training substance repeatedly to estimate errors is called no free lunch theorem. In KNN, runtime grow with big O and D, where n is number of points and D is dimensions. The curse of dimensionality affects algorithms that depends on dash matrix. It depends on distance matrix. Fifth, PCA transforms correlated features into components. Two uncorrelated components. The process of mapping words to numerical vectors in NLP is known as word embedding. Seventh, in a neural network, removing random neurons during training is called dropout. Spark uses the RDS for default tolerant distributed data storage as resilient distributed datasets. Ninth, in Adopt Yarn stands for yet another resource negotiator. In this video, I explain the whole internal tool. Thank you.